Good morning, everybody. I wanted to talk a little bit today about the upcoming retreat. Today is the last day for early registration. So if that is something that you are interested in, be sure you hop online, and I'll put a link in the registration or in the comment section below, and I will let you know how to register today. So here's what we're going to be doing. It's just a weekend immersion. It's a very small event. So it's just maybe like 20 of us that will be in my clinic, and then we have a bunch of people hopping online for the webinar version. So if you can make it out to sunny California, Friday is Coaches Day, and this is not about IP protocol for coaches. So it's really that deeper layer of learning how to increase the bottom line of your coaching business, of how to have clinic processes that make things efficient, and how to understand your bottom line, how to understand where are you making money at, where do you need to improve at, how do you need to improve. Incorporating clinic workshops. So one of the things that we're going to be doing is we're working really hard to give you a lot of valuable content, and as you can see, the small amount of fee that we are charging is just covering travel costs for Dee and Sarah, accommodations, the costs for the cooking workshops, and just handbooks that everybody will have with all of the documents and details, and will be I'm putting together PowerPoint presentations that you can download and customize with your clinic logo, and we'll give you just some really great tools to start holding your own workshops and knowing where to start from, and having a recipe guide for a nutrition workshop, or if you want to put on a veggie workshop, having the recipes, having the tools, watching Sarah and Dee how they put the workshops on. So just really an in-depth of learning. So we're going to be talking about a variety of subjects for clinic owners on Friday, and Friday night is just a little small just a little networking event, dinner at my house actually, because there's just a small group of us that are going to be here. And so if you can make it out to California, join us. That would be awesome. We would love it. But if we know that it's President's Day weekend, and some of you probably already have plans, and you really, really would love to attend, join us on the online version. So just register for the webinar version, and you can do either one day, or you can get all 3 days. So days 2 and 3 are all about clients, and a lot of my clients will be attending this workshop, and it's a 2-day. They can purchase either Saturday or Sunday, or both days. But again, as a coach, you will get to see how I teach, and Dee teaches, and Sarah teaches our client workshops, and workshops about how to change old habits, and self-sabotage, and emotional eating, and we're going to be going on a grocery tour. So Sarah and Dee are going to be starting at opposite ends of the grocery store, and one set of people will go with Sarah and learn all about how to shop for your veggies, how to pick produce, how to work with things you've never heard of before. And then Dee will be over at the meat counter talking about how to select proteins, how to shop on a budget, how to make your meal plans and shopping lists, and how to prepare for your family. So lots and lots of awesome information. We're going to be talking about your thyroid, and hormones, and all of the things that are stopping us from losing weight. And so if this is something that you want to attend, hop online today, get registered. I will put a link in the comment section, and if you have questions, send them to me. You can private message me. I will put my email in here. I'll put my text number. You can call me or text me. I'm happy to talk to you, but we would love to. We have just about 4 or 5 more spots in the grocery shopping tour. So, it's first come, first served. And we're going to be talking about grocery school and just so many different subjects, and it's going to be a super, super fun weekend of cooking and shopping and getting down deep and goal setting. And so if you're a coach, these are all great things to learn and incorporate into your clinic. And if you are a client and you're local in the Bay Area, come join us for 1 day or 2 days. If you are a client and you want to, you need some extra coaching, or you want to dig deeper into how to get to your goal and achieve all of that this year, jump online. I think the client registration online starts at $95. It's very, very reasonable. So that, and again, for all the clients, you're gonna, get downloadable workbooks to use, and grocery shopping lists and recipes and all kinds of good stuff. It'll all be in a Facebook group, and the videos that we record, you can either be on the live version during the workshops and asking questions, or you can watch them later. You'll have lifetime access to them. And so once you're registered, you can watch the videos forever. You can download all of the documents that we are providing for each of the workshops. So whether you're online or in person, it's going to be a great, great experience. And it's the first one we've ever done. And so we're super excited to just share so much information. As you know, we love to share. We love to inspire people. Dee is an amazing cook. Sarah's an amazing cook. Both of them have lost, combined over 450 pounds. I've lost 65 myself. We have learned, I want to say, the secrets to weight maintenance. They're not secrets, but they are lifetime strategies. And that's what we're all about, teaching people, changing people's lives.